Friends, on the channel today, I will show you how to delete passwords from Google Password Manager. Go to Google. Here. Oh, here at the bottom, we need to hide the keyboard. Click on Google, click on your account, manage Google account. This is where we need a password manager. Here, security and entrance, security and login. Here, scroll down. And at the very end, we have the Google Password Manager. Go and accordingly, what password you want to remove, for example, from Microsoft. That's it. And click delete and delete. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.